Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to check driver version in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So firstly, you just need to right click on your start menu, click on device manager. On this window you will get all your devices. So if you want to check any driver version for your devices, then you just need to right click and go to properties, and here you will get a driver option. So click on that, and here you will see the driver version. Also, you can check driver version through Powershell. For that, you just need to go to your start or search menu and type over here Powershell. Okay, now right click on Windows Powershell, click on run as administrator, click on yes. On this window you just need to copy paste this command from my video description. So I will give you the command on my video description, so you just need to copy and paste it over here, and you just need to press enter from your keyboard, and you will see all your driver name, device name, and driver version. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button, and share button. And if you have any questions or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.